Your bank account shows $10,000. You feel secure. You feel responsible. You did everything right, but here is the truth. That money is shrinking. Right now. Every single day, not because you are spending it. Because of where it is sitting, most people trust their bank. They deposit their paycheck. They watch the balance grow slowly. And they think that is how money works. It is not. Your bank pays you 0.01% interest per year. On $10,000, that is $1. $1, meanwhile, inflation is running at 3% or higher. That means the same $10,000 buys 3% less stuff every single year. You are not saving money. You are slowly losing it, and your bank knows this. Here is how the system works. You deposit $10,000. The bank takes that money and lends it to someone else. They charge that person 7%, 10%, sometimes 20% interest. They make hundreds of dollars off your money. They give you $1 back. That is not a savings account. That is a business model. And you are the product. It gets worse. Every time you use your account, there are fees. Monthly maintenance fees. ATM fees. Overdraft fees. Foreign transaction fees. The average American pays over $300 a year in bank fees alone. That is money leaving your pocket silently. Month after month. And most people never notice it. Now add inflation on top of fees. You deposit money. The bank charges you fees. Inflation eats the rest. And your 0.01% interest does not come close to covering any of it. This is not bad luck. This is the design. Traditional banks are not built to grow your money. They are built to hold it while they grow theirs. So what do? 3 things. Simple. Practical. Anyone can start today. Number 1. Move your savings to a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account, HYSA, works exactly like a regular savings account. Your money is still insured. Still accessible. Still safe. The difference is the interest rate. While your traditional bank pays 0.01%, HYSAs are paying 4% to 5% right now. On $10,000, that is $400 to $500 per year. Not $1. You are not doing anything risky. You are just choosing a better account. Banks like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally, and SoFi offer HYSAs online. No minimum balance. No monthly fees. Takes 10 minutes to open. If your money is sitting in a traditional savings account right now, you are leaving hundreds of dollars on the table every year. Number 2. Start investing in index funds. I know what you are thinking. Investing is complicated. Investing is risky. Investing is for rich people. None of that is true. An index fund is a basket of stocks. Instead of picking one company, you buy a small piece of hundreds of companies at once. The S&P 500 index fund, for example, holds the 500 biggest companies in America. Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google. All of them. One fund. Over the last 30 years, the S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% per year. That means $10,000 invested today becomes roughly $174,000 in 30 years. Without picking a single stock. Yeah, slower than gambling. But way faster than being broke. You do not need a financial advisor. You do not need $10,000 to start. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab let you start with $1. Invest consistently. Every month. Do not try to time the market. Just stay in. Number 3. Cut the fees. Go through your bank statements right now. Look for every fee you paid in the last 90 days, monthly maintenance fee, ATM fee, minimum balance fee, paper statement fee. Every single one of these is negotiable or avoidable. Most online banks have 0 monthly fees. Most HYSAs have no minimums. Most major bank ATM fees disappear if you use in-network machines or switch to an online bank that reimburses them. $300 a year in fees is $3,000 over 10 years. That is money that could be compounding for you. Fix the leaks first. Then invest what you save. Here is what this looks like in practice. You move your emergency fund to a HYSA. It earns 4.5% instead of 0.01%. You earn $450 a year doing nothing different. You invest $200 a month into an S&P 500 index fund. After 20 years at 10% average returns, you have over $150,000. You eliminate $25 a month in bank fees. That is $300 a year back in your pocket. Invested over 20 years, another $18,000. None of this requires a raise. None of this requires a side hustle. None of this requires you to be a finance expert. It requires one decision. Stop leaving your money where it works for the bank. Put it where it works for you. Your bank is not your enemy. But it is not your financial advisor either. It is a business. And like any business, it is designed to make money. Most of that money comes from you not knowing any of this. Now you know. Open a HYSA this week. Start an index fund this month. Review your fees today. That is it. 3 moves. That is how you stop getting poorer while your bank gets richer. If you want to know exactly which HYSA is paying the highest rate right now, that video is right here.